Good morning. I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler and start a new week of lunches. Just a forewarning, I guess, disclaimer, I don't know what you want to call it. But after this week's lunches, I'm going to be taking a little break because we have some vacations planned in the beginning of August. So I need to do things to prepare for that, and obviously want to not worry about filming, editing, uploading, that kind of thing while we're gone. So just in case anybody cares, that's why you're not going to see any lunch videos for a little while. But anyways, Monday's lunch. So I've got a sparkling ice, zero sugar kiwi strawberry drink, a honey green tea, pure leaf brewed tea, and of course the water cooler is my husband's main source of drinking throughout the day. For his sandwich here, I've got my parents went to Long Island and in New York City and brought back some bagels, which I froze, so I've been just taking out what I need to thaw it out. So this is a sesame bagel from the city. It's got some mayo, some buffalo chicken, some Swiss cheese, and some crisp iceberg lettuce. I've got an apple here. This is one of those Heath, it doesn't have any like wording, but it's like those little desserts. They have like Reese's, Heath, Snickers, all different flavors, but it's like a vanilla pudding, and then on top is like the Heath little crispy things, like Heath toffee crispy things. They're like little, they're like in the yogurt section. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about if you have seen them, and I've showed these before in other flavors here on my channel. And then lastly, some baby carrots and some Jif, just creamy peanut butter. Pretty light, easy lunch. We're still in a bit of a humid, hot wave, so hopefully that will break soon. But anyways, this is what's going on for today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. It is Tuesday, and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. I'm giving him a raspberry flavored water from the Pix brand. It is Market 32, but it's owned by Price Chopper, so I never know what to call it because I grew up calling it Price Chopper, but it just recently changed its actual like sign and branding to Market 32 a couple years ago. A honey green tea from Pure Leaf, of course, as always, the water cooler. We had taco salads for dinner last night. So I've got a taco salad, so it's a Betta spring mix, some taco meat. I've got bell pepper, cucumber, tomato, black olive, carrot, and there's actually some corn that I cut off an actual cob that my dad got from a friend of his that has a corn farm, just a farm in general, but he gets sweet corn from them. So all that, the meat's on top. I do get asked sometimes with taco salads if Matt cares if the meat is cold. No, he does not. I feel like in the summer he would welcome it, and in the winter maybe he would want it warm, so I would pack just the meat separately in the winter and he could heat it up and put it on the salad. But right now with the weather we've been having, very sticky, humid, and hot, it'll be fine. Also, I've got some hard-boiled eggs, just simple salt and pepper, a chewy churro, Flips Greek yogurt. I remember this one specifically, Matt said was really tasty. It says it is cinnamon low-fat Greek yogurt with chewy churro dough, frosted cinnamon bites, and churro cookie crumble. A banana here, just a fork and a spoon for the salad and the yogurt, and then just some little chocolate chip cookies, nothing exciting. My son and I just made these last night out of one of those like little, I don't know, cookie in a bag kit things. Super easy, but yeah, this is what he is taking today on Tuesday, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. I am getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a sparkling ice grape raspberry zero sugar drink, a Pure Leaf honey green tea sandwich here, just on regular old butter bread. I'll show you guys. I usually get the butter bread this one from Sara Lee, or there's another one. I think it's like Nature's Own, but I just get whatever I can find or looks the best. So just simple turkey, iceberg, sharp cheddar, mayo on that butter bread, some hard-boiled eggs, salt and pepper, a couple oranges. These were on the smaller side, so I just did 2 sliced oranges, and there's like 7 slices here that he can just peel off the skin and eat. A banana, and then a Kodiak Cakes protein crunchy granola bar in the peanut butter flavor. And that's everything for today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. It's Thursday, and I'm in a very good mood this morning. It's been really hot and humid, like I'm sure it has been a lot of places, and the humidity broke last night. It is amazing out right now. It's like 50 degrees. I have all my windows and doors, like my sliding glass door, open, and it's just so crazy to me how the weather can completely change my mentality and mood. I don't know if I'm the only one that's like that. But anyways, just had to share that I'm in a very good mood today. Anyways, so I'm getting ready to pack Matt up for work. I'm giving him a sparkling ice cherry limeade drink, a honey green tea, pure leaf, and of course a water cooler. Leftovers for lunch today. We grilled some chicken up last night. We grilled extra chicken as well, so he could have leftovers. And I have another breast for myself that I'm going to use for a salad today. So it's just grilled marinated chicken breast. On the bottom is just a little bit of that, if you guys have ever heard of the Knorr side dishes, this is just like a chicken noodle, chicken pasta, easy side dish on the bottom. And then I made this Italian dish. I do not know the Italian name, I cannot remember, but my grandparents made it all the time when they were alive when I was a kid. It's just sauteed zucchini with onion and garlic. You saute it in some olive oil, and then right when it's just about fully cooked and able just to eat it on its own, you scramble some eggs and throw them in and kind of fold it into the zucchini. It's delicious. I highly recommend you try it if you like zucchini and eggs. Obviously, it's also a good vegetarian meal. You can eat it as a side dish or as a main dish. My grandparents would sometimes make it and serve it sandwich style with like some crusty Italian bread. But anyways, he can heat this all up today. Obviously, it looked a lot more appetizing when it was hot. A S'mores Flips yogurt. This one is sweet vanilla low-fat Greek yogurt with honey graham crackers, milk chocolate, and toasted sugar bits. An apple here. The last of our hard-boiled eggs for the week, just salt and pepper on those. And then a Captain Wafer peanut butter and honey cracker pack, which we love. My son likes these as well. But yeah, this is what he is eating today for lunch, and I will see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's Friday, and we made it to the end of another work week. I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. I'm giving him a kiwi strawberry sparkling ice 0 sugar drink, and then a honey green tea pure leaf. I made him a salad today, so this is a bit of spring mix, and then some more of the leftover grilled marinated chicken breast, because I've mentioned several times before, we always grill extra chicken breast whenever we are having it, like for dinner, so we have it to use in salads and sandwiches and different things throughout the week. So again, bed of spring mix, grilled marinated chicken. I've got carrots, bell pepper, shredded cheese, some of the McCormick salad toppers. It's like bacon bits and sunflower seeds kind of vibe. Some black olives, and then some pepper corn parmesan dressing here on the side. I've got a couple oranges sliced in circles and stacked up. There's like 7 slices, which just makes it easier for him to peel the skin off. I've got one of these Heath, it's like a little vanilla yogurt thing with Heath crunchy things on top. He said the other one was really good. They also make these in like Snickers, Reese's, Kit Kat, a bunch of different flavors. It's usually, I see them in the yogurt section. I've got a Cracker Barrel. This is the extra sharp yellow cheese cubes, so they're just easy to snack on in this like little pouch thing. And then a peanut dark chocolate and almond protein like granola bar. These are from Aldi, and I think that's everything. he is going to take today. Thank you guys for watching this week's lunch video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.